Hello everyone, I am Sanazwa. Today I will show you how to add a digital signature in a Gmail account. So first of all, we log in my Gmail account, enter the gmail.com. After opening the Gmail portal, we log in my Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account. Then we enter my Gmail account password. After enter the Gmail account password, we go to the next option. So this is my Gmail account. In this we see that there is no signature between the my Gmail text. So we go to the setting option. This is the setting option. After going to setting option, we see that there are many different options are shown. So we go to signature option. This is the signature option. In this we enter my signature. Suppose we enter thanks and regards and enter my name. After typing my signature, we go to the save change option. This is the save change option. Save. And after that we see my Gmail. So this is the digital signature which we add in my setting option. Suppose we want to change this setting and we want to add my designation and address also. So then we go in the setting and enter the designation. Suppose my designation is assistant professor and JIT Barabanki. Now after changing, we save the changing. Then after that we see that the signature is a Sanazeba and assistant professor JIT Barabanki. Thank you for watching my video.